This is your homeless friend Kai, and today, well, first, welcome to my makerspace. Thanks to Mary Mueller for donating my workbench. I now have a place to build amazing things, and thanks to gy6parts.com for their wonderful care package, which inspired this project. Today I'm going to be building an engine, well, first we need the engine, and due to the fact that I feel uncomfortable having you watch me wrestle with a 50-pound engine using a combination of my walker, crutches, and a rolling office chair, I am going to use a little video editing magic, and we're going to skip ahead. Abracadabra. Ta-da! Okay, some of you may recognize this engine from lying around in my yard, out in front of camp. This was an abandoned project I started, and it was cursed from the start. Every time I rebuilt this engine, it just failed on me. And it was part of a scooter that was for somebody else, and instead of fixing it, I just got them another scooter. Well, anyway. When I was under the gun, the project was terrible and I was frustrated and stressed, but now it's just a fun build. So let me see if I can get a better camera angle. Alright, that's much better. We'll get a good look at the engine. Anyway, yeah, Unique Scooter Parts sent me a bunch of really cool stuff, and yeah, I just wanted to build a really nice scooter engine for my blue trike that, well, yeah, long story short. Okay, through the magic of digital editing, we're gonna break this sucker down. Abracadabra. 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 Wow, this is a lot of video editing. Abracadabra. You know what? How about we just skip to the end? Abracadabra. Ah! Oh crap. Abracadabra. Oh no, 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 no. Abracadabra. Oh crap! Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back! Abracadabra! Ah! Abracadabra! Oh crap. I'm gonna have to check my notes. Abracadabra, engine appears. Abracadabra, engine is finished. Alright. Abracadabra! Oh, thank God. Oh, I've been worried for a second there. Oh. Alright, so this is my project. It's a it's a 139 QMB scooter motor. It's gy6 compatible. I put on a 52mm 105cc big bore kit. I have painted the engine blue, and I know a lot of you out there want to blow up my comments with you shouldn't paint the engine, it will overheat. Well, I didn't paint the cylinder, the head, or the cylinder and the head. I painted the valve cover and the engine body, and the vent system will Anyway, it's a beautiful engine, and I'm going to be building a test bench with all the stuff to be able to fire the engine up off the bike. Stay tuned for that project. Hopefully, it'll go smoother than this one because I thought I lost it. Anyway, thanks to Gloria the chicken for helping out with the video. Thanks to Savannah, my little dog, for helping out. Thanks to Mary Mueller for the workbench. And check the description for ways in which you can help your homeless friend Kai make more videos and do more projects. Make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy holidays unless you're watching this sometime in the far future. And, well, happy holidays anyway. Thanks for watching.